My name is Peter Bruning and I'm here with Jim Aud. Jim, how are you today?
I'm good, Peter. How you doing?
Jim, I've known you for now going on almost 25 plus years, I think.
Easy.
Easy.
Yes.
Jim's been in the cable business. I first was turned on to Jim's cables through the Absolute Sound magazine back in the day when Harry Pearson had it. And I remember my first pair of Purist interconnects, they were liquid filled. What was the liquid you used?
Well, no, that's
Back in
proprietary.
Oh, I thought I was
yeah.
going to catch him.
Yeah, you're not going to catch me.
So you still
We still use
it.
fluid, yes.
Yep.
In fact, we actually have two models that we're showing here at the show that are brand new this year.
Which are they?
It's Neptune Diamond,
Okay.
and also we're having the limited edition that has the fluid in it also.
So limited edition is limited edition Neptune Diamond?
No,
It's just limited edition.
Limited edition.
Got it.
And it's got 5-stage AC box on it for filtering. Both of them have the Verity plugs.
Mm-hmm.
We've cut down the insulation on the wiring. It's using nanotechnology, silver wire,
Mm-hmm.
so it's all tricked out.
Mm-hmm. We have several high-level audiophiles that I know who live near Philadelphia that have loomed up their systems with your top-of-the-line cable. It sounds spectacular. Wow, what can we say? We have two 1-meter lengths of your anniversary interconnect that we use in and out of the system primarily on our phono because it's the most revealing and it's a superb smooth cable. So I want to thank you for being in the business and giving us cables. You can't have a system without wiring it up with something.
This is true.
That's true. Well, thank you, Jim.
Thank you very much, Peter.
Jim, I see the system also. Before we step away, we have the Zesto, we have the Zesto monoblocks, we have the Zesto phono stage, we have the Merrill Williams turntable, and we have the triplanar arms. Viewers, we have triplanar arms back at AV showrooms that we pop on in and out of our turntables. We're going to be putting one on a new turntable coming up this summer, so you watch out for that. I see we have band and hole cartridges here, and I think that might be it. What's of course, a beautiful Verity audio loudspeakers. Are these the parcel files?
No.
Or not? No. What are these?
These are the Ominous.
Ominous. Beautiful, beautiful finish on the Verities. Well, what we like to do is listen to music. Jim, can we listen?
I'm sure we can.
Okay, let's do some David Bowie, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, man, good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Up here, I'm in heaven. I've got scars that can't be seen. I've got drama, can't be stolen. Everybody knows me now. Look up here, man, I'm in danger. I've got nothing left to lose. I'm so high it makes my brain whirl. Drop my cell phone down below. Ain't that just like me? By the time I got to New York, I was living like a king. Then I used up all my money. I was looking for your ass. This way or no way. You know I'll be free. Just like that bluebird. Now ain't that just like me? Oh, I'll be free. Just like that bluebird. Oh, I'll be free. Ain't that just like me?
Wow, beautiful articulate sound. Viewers, I also want to call out that we have the new Stillpoints stands under the monoblock amplifiers. These are amplifier stands. Also, we have an ESS rack that you'll see directly in the center shot here. We use ESS racks in our system. We find them to be not only beautiful, but detailed, and they drain all the vibrations out of the micro vibrations out of your circuits and produce a beautiful, beautiful sound. It's not too detailed, it's not too sloppy, it's just spot on. We also have the Aperture Mark IIs in the back behind the loudspeakers. You can check the video out on Stillpoints. It's on the A.B. Sherham site, or search the YouTube channel for Stillpoints. We really do enjoy the Aperture 2s. What a great sound here from Zesto, Triplanar, Purist audio design, Merrill Williams. Just a beautiful, detailed, big presentation. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.